How to send Amazon packages to a different country. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your shipping address on Amazon so that it will be delivered to a different country. Now, the first thing that you want to do is head over to your web browser of your choice and then search for Amazon.com. Once you search for it, it will open up the official website of Amazon, and make sure to log into your account first. As you can see, I have logged into my account right here. And now what you want to do is hover your mouse over your account and click on your account. It will take you to this page where you can see all of your settings, like your orders, login and security, gift cards, and everything. Now, if you scroll down, you can click on your addresses right here, right under ordering and shopping preference, or you can head right over here to visit your address. So these two are basically the same thing. If you go from here or from down here, it will take you to the same web page. If you already have added an address, by default it will be shown right here, but essentially what you want to do is just click on add address. Whether you have added a previous address or not, you will get this option to add addresses. So if you click on this add address, it will take you to this page where you can add a different address, a different phone number, and once you do this, you can just click on add address. And when you check out on any of your product, you can select this address right here that is different from your country, and it will be delivered to that country. That's how you can easily change or add address on your Amazon. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.